this is my go-to eyeshadow because I have, like I said about brushes, I don't have loads of time to have loads of brushes, and I'm not very skilled at it, to be fair. I think that it's foolproof. So it's like an eyeshadow crayon.
Yeah.
Now, one of the great things about this, you put it on, you can blend it with your finger, and then once it's on, it is on.
Proof.
It is smudge proof.
Smudge proof.
It goes nowhere. It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
So all you need to do is just go across your eyelid.
And this is a good shade, isn't it? Because it's quite taupey.
Yeah, that's why I chose it, because it's a bit more of an everyday kind of thing. And also, so once it's on, and then you can just get your ring finger, and then just give it a little blend. Now, without glasses on, I don't think that's too bad, right?
I think that's good, Katie.
Yeah, and then you can let it dry a little bit, and then you can also go back over. So put it into the socket. It means that it gives your eye a bit more of a lift. So if your eyes are starting to hood down, by putting it into the socket, it almost gives the illusion of shadow. Yeah. So it makes your eyes look much more open and lifted.
Yeah, that looks lovely. Use code 20 for 20% off 3 mature makeup must-haves in my store, Beauty and the Boutique.